If you're thinking about selling your house in Ontario, you're probably asking one big question. Should I list with a realtor or should I sell to a cash home buyer? The answer really depends on your situation, and today I'll break it down honestly. I'm Sebastian from Ontario Property Buyers, and we've helped homeowners across Ontario sell their properties quickly, as is, and without the stress of traditional listings. Let's walk through both options so you can decide what best works for you and what makes the most sense for you. Selling with a realtor can be a great option if your house is in good condition and you're not in a rush. You usually get more exposure, but it often comes with repairs, staging, showings, commissions, and waiting weeks or even months for a buyer. And even then, deals can fall apart due to financing or inspections. Selling to a cash home buyer is very different. There are no repairs, no showings, and no realtor commissions. At Ontario Property Buyers, we purchase homes as is and can close on your timeline, sometimes in as little as 5 days. This option is usually best for sellers who want certainty, speed, or less stress. If you're not in a rush and your home is in move-in ready condition, listing may be the right choice. But if you're dealing with repairs, tenants, probate, divorce, time pressure, selling for cash can actually save you money and give you peace of mind. If you're unsure which option fits for your situation, that's completely normal. You can reach out to Ontario Property Buyers for a no-pressure conversation. We'll walk you through both options honestly so you can decide what's best for you.